here we have different products for kids, and then our concept is that the furniture grows with your child. We have extendable beds, we have multi-purpose furniture, and today at Hitex we have chosen the theme of jungle. It's also because we wanted that playful element and also to teach the kids about animals and the importance of nature and all of that. We're also planning to do a couple of activities tomorrow, some doodle workshops, storytelling, and all of that here at the store. It was really nice. We had a lot of inquiries about the products. We did have good interaction. We also had some pets coming inside the store and, like, exploring the products. We got a lot of insights about how people live at home and the way they shop and everything.